Hey guys, it's Lovin here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to do a dance move. Now this dance move hasn't got a name, but I would like to call it the kick jump. Now you can see this dance move in a lot of TikTok challenges, dance challenges, and also a lot of dance videos nowadays. I was able to learn this move very easily, so I thought let me just do a tutorial to show you how it's done. So first things first guys, what you want to do is you just want to learn basic stuff. So practice by just kicking back and forth with both legs. So you're kicking back, kicking forward, kicking back, kicking forward, kicking back, kicking forward, kicking back, kicking forward. And also, if you know how to do star jumps, that's also in the move. So just, if you know how to do this, it's very easy as well. So just learn how to do star jumps if you don't know how to do star jumps. So guys, if you can do kickouts, both feet, and if you know how to do star jumps, then I'm pretty sure you can get this move. So let me break it down into steps. Now the first step, all you have to do is you can either hop on your left leg or your right leg. Pick whichever leg you want to use. So kick back with your left leg. When you kick it back with your left foot, what you want to do is you want to also bring this right foot forward at the same time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're kicking back with this left foot, and at the same time this right foot is coming forward. So left foot kick back, right foot forward. Left foot kick back, right foot forward. Like that. So it's as if you're getting ready to kick a football, you know? Like that. It was also like you're going to go for a run, like that running movement, you know? So once you've done that, so you're kicking back with your left foot, stepping forward with your right foot. What you want to do from here is you're going to kick out with this left foot, and you're going to bring this right foot back. So you're going to kick out with this left foot, and you're going to take a step back with this right foot. So 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. So now as if you're going to kick the football. So boom. As you're bringing this left foot to kick forward, you're bringing this right foot a little bit back. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Now from here, after you've kicked the football, for example, what you're doing is, you're going to now take a step to the side with both your feet. So from here, you're going to take a step out with both your feet, like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from here, guys, all you're going to do is bring both feet together, like this. So kick back with left foot, right foot moves forward. Then kick out with your left foot, right foot moves back. And then both feet come out, and then you're coming in. So it should look a little something like this. So now you're going to do what you did on your left side on the right side. So right foot kicks back, left foot moves forward. Then right foot kicks forward, left foot moves back. And then both foot out, and then in. So it's kick back, kick forward, jump, feet together. Kick back, kick forward, jump, feet together. Once you get the hang of it, guys, it should look a little something like this. Now you just have to get your arms involved in the whole thing. So you can do whatever you want with your arms. You can move them wherever you want. So with me, I usually do like a sort of like a clap when I come in with my feet. So boom, boom, boom. From here, I like clap. As my feet are coming in, I make a clap. Boom. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap, clap, boom, clap. So your right arm goes to the left as you kick out, and then your left arm goes to the right as you kick out. So it should look like this. You can also use your hands as like an aim to kick it. Like that. Kick into your hand. There's also another thing I do with my arms. So after my kick, and I take a step out, I can bring these arms in as I put my feet in. So from here, as I bring my 2 feet in, at the same time, I put both my arms together in the middle, and I bring it down. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should look a little something like this. So I think the best way to make this move look good is to make it look explosive, you know? So when you're kicking out, you don't want to just be going like this. You sort of just want to, boom, like it has to be like an explosive sort of you know, it has to have some sort of momentum in it when you're doing it. So it's like, boom, it has to be like, boom, you know? It's like, boom, boom, boom. It has to look very, like you're putting effort into it, you know? If you just go like this, it doesn't really look that great. But if you put some power into it, like, and speed, so then it looks nice. So it should look a little more like this. Also guys, what you want to make sure you're doing is also that you're hopping every time you're kicking with the legs back and forth and you're jumping. So whenever you're kicking back and you're kicking forward, you're also hopping. You got to remember to hop. So now guys, let me show you how this dance move looks with some music. Thanks for watching my video guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, and more content will be coming out soon. Peace out.